Hello, I'm Subin from Context I will introduce farm animals. A chicken is a type of bird. Feathers cover the bodies of chickens. They have 2 wings and 2 legs as well as a beak. Hence all female chickens. Hence lay their eggs. Some eggs remain in the nest and hatch into baby chicks. Chickens live in a structure known as a coop. Roosters are male chickens. Their loud noises make people awake in the morning. Ours is small, powerful, and fast. Farmers ride horses around the farm, pulling plows and performing other farm tasks. Horses are also used to herd animals such as cows and sheep in one place. This is known as herding. Horses come in a variety of types. Some are bred for racing, while others are bred for transport. However, workhorses are the best type of horse for farming. They can easily pull heavy loads. Dogs are popular pets among farmers. Many dogs are excellent holders. They keep cows, sheep, and other animals from straying too far from the herd. Dogs also aid in farm protection by keeping wild animals away. The herding dogs are given the responsibility of gathering the flock and herds. They are running, barking, nipping at wild animals' heels, and keeping an eye on the herds. So far, I told you about farm animals. Thank you for listening.